Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you the Google Flow AI power tools. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the Google Flow, how to make a cartoon for the kids with the help of the Google Flow AI power tools. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and then type the Google Flow. Simple type the Google Flow. You can see here, this is the Google Flow. Google Flow AI Creator Studio for the video image. Click on the first link. You can see here. It will open and then click on the new project. You can see here. Click on it. And this is the main page of the Google Flow AI Power Tools. Click on the All Media option. You can see here. And then go to the setting option. This is the important option. First of all, to manage the setting, select the first one option and then come to the image generation default option. Select the, I have selected the 16:9. You can also select the 4:3, 1:1, 3:4 and 9. And I want to create one image. You can create 2 image, 3 image and 4 image, etc. Then I have selected the Nano Banana 2. You can see here, scroll down, and this is the option about the video generation default. I have selected 16:9. You can select it. You can select the 9:16. I want to create one video. You can create 2, 3, and 4 video. And then select the Omni Flash. You can see here, this one. And then click on the Save button. Cross this one. And this is the area I want to copy paste the image prompt. Go to the ChatGPT. I have already created the image prompt. You can see here, this is the image prompt. Copy the image prompt and go to the Google Flow and paste the image prompt here. You can see, and then click on the arrow button. It will generate the AI image. You can see here how to clear. It is very clear. Click on the plus button. I want to save the image. You can see here. So click on the image because I want to make a video of this one image. I want to copy paste. Go to the ChatGPT again. I want to copy paste the video motion prompt of the above image prompt. You can see here. This is the video motion prompt of the above image prompt. Below is the dialogue. The dialogue is in the Urdu language. You can see here. Paste the video prompt and then click on the arrow button. It will generate the video about this one image prompt. You can see here. Click on the approve button. You can see here. Would you like to this? Yes. Click on the button. You can see here. The below is the image and above is the video. You can see both are the same. This is the video. How to download it? Click on the above three dots and click on the download and then click on the original size 720 pixel. Click on it. The download has been completed. Click on the folder icon. You can see here. It is click on the video. You can see.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, आज हम वुदू सीखेंगे।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड
You can see the language is about the Urdu one. You can create the video in the English language. In any type of language, you can create a video, an image, anyone. And now I want to create the second one, scene. You can see here, copy and paste here. So in this video, I have created one image and one video. In the next video, I will create 2 video and 2 image prompt. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to use the Google Flow AI power tools for the future and how to use it for the making a cartoon. In this video, I have explained to you only one image prompt and only one video prompt. In the future video, I will make a fresh video in the future. In that video, I will explain to you how to make 2 image prompt and 2 video prompt. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.